Hey everyone, hey, it's Mr.Vette, and today I have the MotorTrend's LCD Slimline HD Dashcam. It says it comes with an 8GB memory. Let's take a look at some of the features. This is the box. Alright, and some of the features are pivoting 360 swivel, HD video recording, alright, night vision LED lights, a 2.5 inches LCD display, and then in the inside of the box we have compatible with all vehicles, supports up to 32 gig micro SD card, mounts on any windshield, 12 volt power adapter for your cigarette lighter, comes with the suction cup, the 12 volt charger, USB cable to plug it in. It seems like it's pretty straightforward, on and off switch, mini USB. Let's see what else we have. Just says 2.5 inch. Okay, here we go on the back. It just shows where the SD slot is, the mini USB, 2.5 inch LCD, the mount, where the camera angles and everything. Okay, features. Integrated microphone, record sound, 2.5 inch screen, video picture resolution 720, frame rate 30 frames per second, wide angle lens 90 degrees, rechargeable lithium ion battery, looping video, delete memory when full, infrared LED lights for night vision ×6, motion detection functions, language options, Chinese, English, French, Russian, powered by the mini USB car, and supports up to 32 gigs. Alright, so let's crack this thing open and see what's in the box. Okay, I have seen this model under a couple other names. It's not just MotorTrend. Okay, so we have it here. Alright, so we have the box, of course, and then that's it for that. Let's see. Okay, we have the unit with the suction cup. Okay, and then inside the back of the box we have the manual. Tells you how to functions, okay. Options of the video. Okay, resolution 1080 or 720 VGA. Spanish instructions. Let's see, here we go. And then we have the power adapter for cigarette lighter and another USB plug. Alright. Well, that's all that's in the box. That's everything that's in the box. Let's see here. It's very light unit. Alright, well, let's test this out and see how it works. Okay, and then I found hitting in the back here was the 8 gig free. So let's test this and see how it goes. Alright everyone, so I've got the unit, this MotorTrend Cam DVR system. DVR recorder, cam DVR recorder, and I got the booklets, and I'm going to plug it in and test it out and see exactly what it is, and I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so I got the unit out, and as soon as you turn it on, it looks like that it starts to record, and it has a red light flashing. It's got a rechargeable battery. It says that it's currently charged, and then as you can see, it just tacks up and down for the time that it's been recording. Now, as you can see, the date is incorrect. So basically, what you need to do is tip it upside down, and then you got a menu button, a mode button, and then you've got a left and right. Now the menu, press on that, and it will let you go to time setup. So let's go to time setup, and then, well, I guess it's got some buttons on the side here. So let's take a look. It's got time setup. Let's go over here. Oops. And then what is this? On and off. Alright, well, let's go. Let's check this. And then you press. Okay, so voice record. Wow, okay. And then it's got size, which is 720p, timestamp on, motion detect on, video time 3 minutes. So I guess as soon as you actually start the unit, it seems to be working. So let's see what it does. That's for. Okay, and it also has video out. And then, okay, and then that's all for that. But let's check. Let's turn and try to set the clock for it. Then we got mode. Okay, and that's 1.3 M. Press mode again, and I guess that's just the voice recorder. And then that's the playback of the original footage that I used, 23 minutes and 21 seconds. And now we're back to record again. And then I guess we hit OK, and there it goes, and it starts recording. So this unit is very easy to actually use. I have it mounted up on the dash up here, way up here. So essentially you just take it and plug it in right here, up here in the top, and then set it to where you want it to, and then we'll give it a try. Of course, the instructions, if you're seeing this video, are in Spanish. Just perfect. They don't even come with English. Just perfect. And that's it. No. When you plug it in, so I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but it says it's recording, and hopefully when I take this out, you'll be able to see exactly what it looks like, how it works, what kind of quality it has. And there it goes, and it starts recording. So this unit is very easy to actually use. I have it mounted up on the dash up here, way up here. So essentially you just take it and plug it in right here, and the top, and then set it to where you want it to, and then we'll give it a try. Alright everyone, so I took the micro SD card out of the MotorTrend DVR cam, and this is what it looks like. It's almost full, so I guess what it does is it writes so many minute files, and then it writes over itself or so as a looping option or so. But as you can see, some of these files are very large in size, made by that. But I'll add it and let you see the actual files. Okay, so here's the final review on testing this MotorTrend's LCD Slimline HD dash cam. Overall, I give it about 3 stars. It has some pros and cons. It's very lightweight, kind of cheesy feeling. It's like a lot of the DVR cams that are lower end or so. It is very easy to use. You're just basically plugging it in, and then you're hitting the mode button, setting the time and everything, hit the OK, and then it just starts recording and everything. This right here scratches very easily. There's no peel off cover or anything. This thing does nothing. This button right here, the battery stinks when you actually plug it in trying to charge it or so. It does not last. You're basically plugging it in all the time from your cigarette lighter. As for, it did come with a free 8 gig micro SD card and such, but I would suggest if you're going to get this unit, get you a 32 or so, because that 8 gig will not hold many. It'll hold about 6 once you've actually taken the files off, and you've seen that on the computer earlier. Once you take those files off, it only holds about 7 or so, and then it writes over itself. So if you're looking for something that's really simple to use, then this is pretty good, but I'd say about 3 stars because of the price is very small and everything. It doesn't cost anything hardly. But the good news is that if you want this unit, just comment below and we'll choose one and send you out this unit. We'll choose one from the comments and check our next video to see who wins, and we'll give you this unit for free. We'll send it out to you. Alright guys, well, take care. Bye-bye.